So it's almost 3:30, and I had quite a good break here in Costa Calma. I was looking around for something for GoPro accessory shop, and then ended up being here in a cafe. I've also booked a room about 19 miles away from here. It's going back towards the airport, so it's a good direction for me. It's like kind of halfway in the middle of the island. So yeah, it would be easier for us to ride up north tomorrow and then come back again, so we don't have to come back all the way here in the south. Yeah, so let's so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get to the place, throw everything in there, take a little rest, and then maybe we can go in the afternoon. We get very close to the beach, so we're gonna explore the local area later on. But for now, get to the place. I think it's a bed and breakfast. It's not a hotel, but it's all right. The rooms here are surprisingly very expensive, and there are not very many options either. And yeah, so this was a bit reasonable price. So yeah, I booked it for 2 nights, and let's see what happens. So maybe we might have to, if we stick around longer, we might have to go for another day or two. But for now, it's for 2 nights. So let's hit the road. It's pretty hot here, I can't believe it. Oh, look at this place. Look at this place. So wild in the middle of like nowhere. Look at those barren mountains. Caravan parked here. And the bad boy. Wow. What a beautiful place. And this is so quiet. There's just only 2 people. One man is walking on the other side. There's a woman lying sunbathing, and literally there is no one else here. Literally there is no one else here. Amazing, isn't it? Go up for a walk through these little hills. Okay, I think we can send the bad boy up, get some footage. Let's do that. checked into the property. Look at the location. The sea is just there, walking distance, a couple of streets. More than that. Yep, this is a living room. I thought I booked a single room in a bed and breakfast, but when I showed up, it's like a big apartment with 3 bedrooms. Wow, so this is the living room. You can see the fans work. It's so hot in here. And the host was kind enough to have left some snacks and some drinks. Of course, I don't drink. Got massive telly, and then as you come into the other side, so you can see a big dining room. It's good enough. The whole house is good enough for 6 people, and as you go through the dining room into the kitchen, it's got a massive kitchen, and again it's got a table, 3 chairs. You got some tea and coffee stuff. You got everything you can cook, which is great. Come back in here, and this is your single room with a single bed and whatever you need to keep. You go inside and you turn left, and this is your double room with 2 beds, and you come back in. That's where you keep the cleaning stuff, and then you are on your right, so you see your master bedroom. It's got a huge wardrobe, double bed. Oh God, I'm so tired, so tired. Fan again here because it's very hot. And then in here, you got a massive shower and toilet. You can see. Right, that is massive. That is huge. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm here for a couple of days, and then I'll see what happens. Maybe, you know, but I think I'm kind of guessing I'll just stay here for just a couple of days, and then yeah, we'll hop on the ferry once again to Lanzarote. But look at the look at that. The whole sea is there. Beautiful place, isn't it? Okay, just forgot to show you. It also has got a little balcony. Just realized now. You open this up, you got a couple of chairs and a table, foldable table. That's where you're hanging your clothes if you want to wash it. And then you are in here. As I said, it's very residential, but I think it's very nice. The bad boys down there. So it looks like it's a small, like a port for local fishermen, and it's a nice place. I mean, just a couple of streets down the hill, and you are here at this little port or a fishing town. It looks like a small fishing town. Let's go down, see if we've got any shops or cafes down here. That's somebody's house. No, that looks like somebody's house. Oh, that's crowded. Pretty loose. Is there a way to get there? Or somebody's house. Oh, okay. That's I think we just did that. Okay, yeah, that's And there's a beach as well. Okay, of course that's more interesting than these little boats. Let's go there. Okay, so Puerto de Gran Tarajal, something like this. But this is a beautiful little place. And then you got a beach as well, restaurant, bar, shops, which is great, because I thought I might not have, or might be in the middle of somewhere nowhere, but it's great. Got loads of shops. We're gonna go there in a sec, but look at those huge mountains and the cliffs. The water looks the current looks very strong. Good for surfing though. There are some guys surfing, but yeah, it's very strong. We are now, and look at the sun. So what time is it? 6:30, and the sun is still there. And look at these streets, they are so steep. Look at that, look at that. Anyway, let's go there. So this is the place, Gran Tarajal. Sorry, they're taking video pictures. Okay, I like the way they have designed art. For example, this is like a surfer with those little metal pieces made of. Amazing. Look at this, look at this. That is pretty amazing, isn't it? And the water is so strong. Oh, look at the wave, look at that. That's huge. Tomorrow in the afternoon, when the sun, now it's a little bit too late, but we'll definitely come and we'll go for a little dip in the sea, because I haven't had one since we have arrived here in the Canaries. So definitely tomorrow at some point we'll come here and sit and dip ourselves. Very nice place. Let's keep going. So here, that's a proper beach with sand, and the water is a little bit better here on this side. I think it is. Okay, so we just walk in. We got like bars and restaurant on the side. That's a very nice place. Okay. If you just look at, let me just show you. If you just look at this part of that rock, it looks like a croc head. Can you see that? It looks like a croc head. Wow, that's pretty amazing, isn't it? Wow. Oh, there's another art. There's another art. There is another art. And why they've got this art made of metal everywhere? Everywhere. There must be some sort of and even these leaves or hearts are made of metals. A woman is selling potatoes, I think. Okay. Hey, let's keep going. That's a little square. Okay, good that we got shops and restaurant here. Because I was thinking, what if? Because I've got absolutely nothing to eat. I just had something that I bought from the supermarket yesterday before we left. And it was still there, so I thought, okay, let me have something at least. Okay, keep going, keep going, keep